In this video, I'll be giving you an update on the Resume Builder app that I've been building. So this is what the app looks like now. I have made a lot of progress. So for example, I have added the contact section. What contact section does is basically lets you add bunch of ways so the clients or employers can contact you on your resume. You can toggle between these. You can re-enable them, for example, and you don't have to post the whole links for LinkedIn. Let's say you can just put your LinkedIn like username, and I have added a function that will automatically convert that to a LinkedIn link. You can add your Instagram. You don't really need for resumes, but I wanted to add it for like content creators like me, so they can show their Instagram handle on it. You have a GitHub for developers, and then I have added skills section. Skills section is basically to add your skill set. Currently there is no live search for the skills, but I'm planning on to get bunch of skills, put them in like a JSON file, so once the user starts typing, I can show a drop down of recommended skills. So for example, for me, I can, let's say I know Shopify, so I can add Shopify here and it'll show up on the resume. It's pretty handy. You can also delete it from here by just clicking on the cross button, but I'm planning to also have a cross button here. I want to give the user the ability to not just being able to edit from the sidebar, but also directly from the screen itself. And then I have added experience section. Experience section, you can add your position, company, responsibilities, and then just click on add experience. I still have to add the dates inputs. The experience section is not finished yet. So my plan for this week is to finish the experience and education section. So let me upload the image here. Once you upload the image, I added this cross button. Currently there was no way to remove the image once you upload it. Now I have added this cross button, so you can just click on it and the image will be deleted. And as I mentioned earlier, everything on this resume is editable directly from the screen. You don't have to go back to the sidebar and navigate through the section that you want to edit. And one really cool feature that I forgot to mention that I've added is this theme picker, so you can switch between different like colors and stuff. These colors are hard coded for now, but I'm planning to add another, let's say, color swatch to which will basically a color picker, so users can enter the color code directly in that. And then I have a font size switcher, so you can switch between different font sizes. I'm also planning to add a font family picker, so you can choose your favorite font. Now let's come to the issues that I'm currently facing. It's not really an issue, but it's something related to styling. Everything looks good on screen. Like let's say if I click on print resume, it will show my resume on the screen in like a native Chrome window, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, the font size looks good, but when I print the resume, the font size looks way smaller. I have a printed version here. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. It looks really small. So I'm planning on to fix that. This is the only issue that I've been facing. Now this is the update, and I also showed you guys the issues that I'm facing. Now what is my plan for future? My plan for this week is to finish experience and education section, and then I'll upload the whole app on Netlify so users can start playing around with it, start generating resumes. And then after that, the next thing that I want to target is to add more layout options. Currently there is only one layout option, and then add a color picker. As I mentioned earlier, I want to add a color picker to this color drop down, so users have more options to pick the color they like. This is pretty much it. So for this week, my plan is to finish experience education section, and then layout will come after that. Keep in mind, this is an open source project, so if you guys want to contribute to it, I'll post a link to the GitHub repo in the description below. Make sure to check that out. This is pretty much it for this video, but later this week I'll also be posting a crash course on Strappy. I've been playing around with Strappy, and so far I've been loving the tool, so make sure you come back for that. And if you guys like the tool that I'm building, a resume builder, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one.